Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to join the Kraken affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC. Go to the search bar and type in Join Kraken Affiliate Program. Hit enter and you will see this page. On this page, click on the first link that says Kraken Affiliate Program. After you click on this link, you will see this page. On this page, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to this section that says application form. So in order to apply, you'll have to click on this click here to become an affiliate link. But before that, we'll read this notification that says due to increased demand, account verification may be delayed. Please avoid submitting multiple requests, and for best results, review our documents requirements beforehand. So click on this document requirements link and you will see this page. Scroll down, navigate to this section, see all the documents that is required to become an affiliate on Kraken, and make sure you have all these documents. Cut this out, navigate back to the previous page and click on this application form that says click here to become an affiliate link. When you click on this link, you will be promoted to another page. On this page, you'll have to simply enter all your information. So in these fields, you'll have to enter your full name, email, confirm your email, enter a username, give a password. Now navigate to the company information section and enter your account display name, choose your company website, enter your country, add a street address, choose your city, state and enter a zip code, enter your phone number, choose your currency, choose your time zone. Now scroll down and choose the promotional information. So choose what kind of business model you have. Now choose the property type, whether you have a website, mobile or social network. Now scroll down and in the agreement section, you will see these agreements. Basically, you'll have to scroll at the bottom of these agreements using this scroll bar and read out this agreement page. If you don't want to do it, simply skip it, and after filling out all these informations, click on the sign up button. And when you click on the sign up button, you will have successfully submitted a form to become a Kraken affiliate. So that's the simple way to join Kraken affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.